Welcome to ISO Degree College, Tarnaka, affiliated to Osmania University. Our college offers BCom Computer Applications, BCom General, BBA and BCA courses. Our college provides skill-based, stress-free education, and our college is registered through DOST. Our DOST code is 11272. Now you may have a question that how to apply to our college through DOST process. Directly you can apply to our college through our college website. Visit our college website. There you will be finding a button called Academics. Click on the button Academics. There you will be finding a button Apply us through DOST. Click on that particular button. You will be diverted to our college, our DOST official website. So DOST official website. There you will be finding three buttons. One is Candidate Pre-Registration button. Second one is Application Payment Gateway, and the third one is Candidate Login. These are the three main buttons you will be finding in official website DOST. The first one is Candidate Pre-Registration button. The minimum requirements for applying through this is your student's hall ticket number of intermediate second year. This is for both students of Telangana board as well as the other board students also. That is the second year hall ticket number, passport size photograph, Aadhaar number. These are the three main requirements. And next you can also carry your caste certificate number and income certificate number along with the passport size photograph. And you also need to have a valid mobile number. So for pre-registration process, the three main things required are valid mobile number, intermediate hall ticket number as well as your Aadhaar number. Enter these three details and click on submit. You are going to get a one-time password to your registered mobile number. After entering the registered mobile number, the first stage is done. That is, the pre-registration process is done. Now the second stage is application payment gateway. This can be done using debit cards, using credit cards. You can also use your internet banking. The payment can be an amount of rupees 100 to 400. So after the payment is done, for the registered mobile number, you are going to get DOST ID along with PIN. Now you have to enter the DOST ID and PIN in Candidate Login. After entering the details, you are going to fill an application form. There, if the student is Telangana board, auto-generated details will be present and you need to fill the other details and you have to upload your passport size photograph. You have to enter your caste certificate and income certificate in order to get a reservation category. And if the student is of other board, that is CBSE, then he or other AP board, he need to enter by himself his name, his father's names, mother name, his intermediate marks and all the other etc. things. After the application process is done, you have to click on submit button. Now the last stage you are going to enter is the web option stage. Now it will be diverted to web options. In web options, our DOST is registered through all the 6 universities among Osmania University. We have to click on Osmania University because our college is affiliated to Osmania University. There you will be finding various colleges affiliated to Osmania University. From that you have to select our college, ISO Degree College, DOST code as 11272. After clicking on college button, you will be getting courses offered in our college. BCom Computer Applications, BCom General, BBA and BCA. So your required priority course you need to select. Along with your required course, you can also give web options for other courses also. Because in phase 1, if you may not get the course which you required, you also have an option of intra-college phase. There, your required college course you can get selected. That's why along with the required course, you can also click 2 to 3 other courses also of same college, so that later you can change. So thus the registration process will be done successfully. After the process everything is done, within a week you are going to announce your result. That is, the higher education will be announcing the DOST phase 1 results. If you are allotted to to our college, you have to get the allotment letter to our college, and you have to pay 1000 rupees by self-reporting. So then your registration, application, everything will be done and you will be allotted seat into our college. Some students may think that we don't know all this process and we are not interested to do all this. Why not the college will do? Yes, definitely our college supports you students. If you visit our college by getting the required documents like your intermediate hall ticket number of second year, your passport size photograph and Aadhaar. These three are the minimum requirements, and if you want reservation quota, you need to get your caste certificate and income certificate. If you get these required documents and visit our college administrative staff will definitely help you and they will only try to complete the registration process, everything. So this is the process on how to apply to our college through DOST online or how to apply to our college directly by visiting offline. So that's it students, all the best. For the academic year 22-23, admissions are in progress. ISO colleges always welcomes you. Join us students.